Next, we're going to work on foam rolling IT band just above the knee. So again, we have two of our apparatuses that we could use. Doesn't matter which one, whichever one you have available. What we're going to do is we're going to go just above the knee line, all right, along the IT band, separates the quad and the hamstring. So we're going to go laterally, lay down on the foam roller, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to post my foot on the ground in the back, either both my hands or just one, whatever I'm stable with, in order to modulate my weight. And then I'm just going to roll around side to side until I can feel one of those hot spots. And again, once I find one of those hot spots, now I'm just going to bend the knee forward and backwards. A few reps. And then again, I move, find another hot spot. And then I move the foot back and forth, bending the knee, moving that IT band over the foam roller. And again, work back and forth, find a hot spot, bend the knee for a few reps. And that is how to foam roll or IT band just above the knee.